Someone asked me a while back, how do you add all these numbers which are separated by comma? So this is what you have to do. First, you're going to have to split this string into an array using a function called TEXTSPLIT. The first argument for TEXTSPLIT would be the cell itself, and the second argument would be the delimiter, which is a comma. So this essentially produces an array of string, which happens to be a numeric value, but that numeric value cannot be used for any of the calculation. So you're gonna have to convert that into an array of numeric value. So you're gonna have to nest the TEXTSPLIT into a 2- like this. 2- means double unary operator. So essentially converting an array of string into an array of numeric value, which you can use it for calculation. So after that, you're gonna have to nest this double unary operator under a sum function, which actually does the calculation for all the numeric value in that array. And then after that, hit enter. And this is the total for this row. And to apply the same formula for the rest of the row, just drag this handle and you are done.